welcome back to another video. I have quite a bit to get done today. The other day I washed and vacuumed out my car, but I still need to dust the inside and get some of the clothes and stuff out of the car. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and then I have the rest of the house to clean. So I thought I would take you around with me while I get all that stuff done. So let's get on to it. So since I got all the washing and everything done the day before, I'm basically just going to be wiping down the inside of my car because I already vacuumed and stuff yesterday as well. So I'm just getting all the dust off of the interior of my car. And my poor Jeep needed it too, because as much as I hate to admit this, it's been about a year since the last time my poor Jeep and my other vehicle actually has been cleaned out. So long overdue. And actually my poor Focus still needs a cleaning because I only got to the Jeep today.
Frozen feet, raindrops falling on the street. I can't recall when I last saw the sun. Summer's just a memory, a faded piece of history. No one can remember all the fun. The late night barbecue, zipping on a gin and juice, cruising down the road, no thought of getting old. The girls are hot but the beer is cold. Yeah, that's the way we roll. Bathing in the sun, on the beach having fun. Whoa, these lazy days are never done. I work heart every day. Don't waste my time on yesterday.
So this is actually the next day because after cleaning out or wiping down the Jeep, I just really wasn't feeling like cleaning my house. So this is actually the next day of me at least cleaning the kitchen, living room, and the bathroom.
There ain't no cloud in sight. The future is looking bright. Cruising down the road, no thought of getting old. Girls are hot, but the beer is cold. Yeah, that's the way we roll. Bathing in the sun, on the beach having fun. Whoa, these lazy days are never done. Cruising down the road, no thought of getting old. Girls are hot, but the beer is cold. Yeah, that's the way we roll. Bathing in the sun, on the beach having fun. Whoa, these lazy days are never.
Do you ever feel you don't get out what you're putting in? All your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything? Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring? Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscience. Different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come my way. I was just a little girl when my mama used to say, ooh, happiness requires work every day. Oh, and if that someone makes you smile and leaves you with a scar, don't let them tell you what you feel or who you are. Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscience. Different things in different
end of this, you'll just be seeing little clips because right here is where my camera just kept on wanting to shut off. So I just tried to get as much as I could. I do apologize. But yeah, my camera is just going to keep going out. So I've only got a little bit of clips throughout the rest of this video. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like, and if this is your first time here, I hope you will hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys all again in the next video. Bye!
Detour in my